Every time you ask ChatGPT a question, your words leave your computer and live on someone else's server. Maybe forever. Today I'll show you how to run a real AI on your own laptop. 5 minutes, $0. Your data never leaves your machine. Let's set it up. First, why this matters. Every prompt you send to a cloud AI gets stored, analyzed, and often used to train future models. Your work emails, your code, your private questions, all of it. Local AI is different. It runs on your computer, just like any other app. The conversation stays on your hard drive. The company can't read it. They can't sell it. They can't lose it in a data breach. If you care about privacy, this is the move. Here's what you need. A reasonably modern computer, Mac, Windows, or Linux. 8 gigabytes of memory or more. About 10 gigabytes of free disk space. That's it. No expensive graphics card. No technical setup. If your laptop can run a web browser, it can run this. Step 1. Open your web browser. Go to Ollama.com. That's Ollama.com. Ollama is the free tool that runs AI models on your computer. You'll see a download button right on the homepage. Click it. Pick your operating system. Step 2. Install Ollama like any other app. On Mac, open the downloaded file. Drag the Ollama icon into your Applications folder. Done. On Windows, run the installer and click Next. On Linux, run the one-curl command on the page. After install, you'll see a small Llama icon up in your menu bar. That means Ollama is running in the background, ready to talk to. Step 3. Open Terminal. On a Mac, that's Command Space, type Terminal, hit Enter. This is where you talk to Ollama. Don't worry, you only need to type 3 commands the whole time. First command, type Ollama space list. This shows you which AI models you have. Right now, nothing. That's expected. Second command, let's download a real AI. The main one we want is Gemma 4, a free AI model made by Google. About 10 gigabytes. I already have Gemma 4 on my Mac, so for this demo, I'll pull a much smaller model instead, just to show you the download flow. Type Ollama space, pull space, Qwen3:.6b, same command for any model. Your install would be Ollama pull Gemma 4. The download takes a few minutes depending on your internet. Get a coffee. When you see the word success, you're ready. Third command. Now we chat with Gemma 4. Type Ollama space run space Gemma 4. You'll see 3 arrows, that's the prompt. Type anything you want. Ask it to write code. Ask it to explain something. Ask it to brainstorm ideas. Watch this. I'm asking it to write me a Swift loading screen with custom warm orange colors. It thinks for a second, then it generates real code on my machine with no internet involved. Now for the privacy proof. Watch what happens when I turn off my Wi-Fi. Same AI, same prompt, same answer. 0 packets sent, 100% your machine. Try doing that with ChatGPT. Here's the honest read. Local AI like Gemma 4 isn't as smart as the absolute biggest cloud models on the hardest problems. If you need to write a research paper or debug a giant code base, cloud AI still wins. But for the daily stuff, writing emails, quick code, brainstorming, summarizing, learning something new, Gemma 4 on Ollama is fast, free, and totally private. I use it every single day. That's the entire setup. 3 commands, 10 minutes of downloading, and now you have a real AI on your laptop that no company can spy on. Subscribe for more on AI, local language models, and the tools changing how we actually work. See you in the next one.